Kindly introduce
good
yourself.
governance. We should be healthy.
Good evening, guys. I'm John Mitch Hipolito, your Mr. sa Pilipinas, Bulacan Province.
Have a lot of mental problem, emotional problem, family, their situation, crisis, lack of financial support, lack of education, more problems.
Preparations po, almost all, I'll make sure that all the boxes, I will check all those boxes. Mentally, physically, and emotionally. So lahat po yan prepared ako. Sa fitness coach, yung commitment ko into fitness, into working out, domino effect na siya. Mentally, physically, and emotionally. And yun po yung advocacy ko rin. Na I want to inspire more people to engage into more healthy lifestyle. And let's equip ourselves with healthy mind and body.
So are you ready to get it now?
I am ready.
What is your advocacy?
My advocacy, yun ang sinabi ko. My advocacy is lifting spirits through fitness. As a fitness trainer, I was able to lead more people towards a healthy lifestyle. So I want to use the platform of Mr. sa Pilipinas to encourage more people to engage into more healthy lifestyle. And through that, there's such no mental issue or health condition can limit us by achieving our goals.
It boosts my confidence.
You are from Bulacan.
I'm totally 100% ready, pero I know I'm confident and I'm confident enough.
It's okay to you if you give an reaction or opinion.
I can do my best.
Pressing news right now about the flood.
About the flood control, actually, medyo busy po ako sa aking pageant journey and sa aking, I'm a full-time personal trainer po. So about that flood control issue, I think wala naman perfect na tao. Siguro po, kailangan lang natin dito is maging transparent tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. At huwag tayo, siguro po kayo, huwag po tayong magbulag-bulagan sa maliliit na bagay, maliliit na bagay na nakikita natin. Kasi po, dun po nagmumula yung lahat. Pwede siya lumaki na lumaki. So, maging transparent po tayo sa orta natin tapat.
Selfish interest of stealing the money.
So how can you be part of the solution?
For the betterment of our country.
How can you be part of the solution?
Okay, be part of that solution is by engaging into
Only a little bit.
the Mr. sa Pilipinas, I think, and wag po basta masyado maniniwala sa
Our
fake
part,
news.
our
Kasi most of
place there is improving the farming,
millennials
the
or people
garden, the palayo,
nowadays,
and the preservation of
kung ano yung
wildlife
nakikita
is good
sa
so far.
naniniwala. So iwasan po natin yung fake news and maging knowledgeable tayo sa mga bagay-bagay. And by that, sa tingin ko yung magiging contribution ko, I want to encourage more people to be knowledgeable on the things that really is the news. So by that, magiging responsible tayo sa actions natin and
as long as it's minimize the side effect,
makakonvince natin yung mga nasa sa pwesto
we can
na gawin yung trabaho. Hindi lang para sa sarili, para
as
sa
long
bayan.
as it helps our country, it helps our
Hypothetically, if you will win a 1 million pesos, how can you use that money?
1 million pesos. Well, kalahati po na siguro i-invest ko into
artificial intelligence
myself and
should be used
business. And then yung 500,000 yung half po sa share sa people. Hindi nyo po alam. I'm a breadwinner of my family
our
and
population is increasing year
nasa
by
puso
year.
ko na po yung pag-share.
So we should
And lahat man po ng bagay natin na natanggap mula sa Panginoon ay kailangan natin i-share. Kasi pag nawala po tayo, hindi natin ma-enjoy yun. Mas maganda po yung makaiwan po tayo ng kabutihan.
Crimes will increase.
Since you're one of the pretty face among the country, sino yung given the chance na papasok ko sa showbiz, sino yung gusto mong makatambal, makapareho, makalove team?
Makatambal siguro po si Shuvi. Kasi po, Shuvi ba kasi perfect match po yung personality namin. Siguro magiging masayang-masaya yung trabaho.
I'm open for
Paano ba yan? Pasok ka ba dun sa TDH niya?
Siguro po.
So dark and handsome.
I would like to join more pageants or where I'm good at. So maybe fashion show.
Hi guys, I'm John Hipolito, Mr. sa Pilipinas, and follow me on my journey here in Mr. sa Pilipinas through my social media accounts. John Hipolito or Coach I in Facebook and Instagram. And please support us on our coronation night at SM North Skydome on October 22, 2025. See you there.
Okay.
Yes po.